So my name is Ella and I go to an art school in Los Angeles. Right now, things are very stressful at the end of the year, and this is just a collection of some of my memories from today that make me happy. I love these people very much, and I hope you guys enjoy. Da-da, 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 da-da. Am I an art hoe now?
No, sorry.
How do I become one?
Be an art hoe.
You're an art hoe.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
This was a terrible decision in every possible way.
I have a sty.
No, you don't. What is a sty?
It's a pimple in your eye, look. It's
Inside?
swollen. My eye is swollen.
JR is in NYO2, which is a really famous youth orchestra because he's a talented piece of shit. I love you
I'm
so
playing
much.
piccolo in
he's playing
Petrushka
piccolo.
Suite.
He's playing piccolo for Petrushka.
I'm excited.
I'm gonna put in an excerpt here of his playing. My entire life was a mistake.
You look like an edgy 12-year-old.
Thank you. Come here.
What are you guys doing outside?
I'm filming for my YouTube channel.
What's up?
What do you want to say?
I love my mom. I love Robert. I love you.
Okay, so inside this room is Ricardo Ibarra. Such a queen. He's a thickie, and I love you. Locks its students in their natural habitat. Here we have the Ricardo. What a brilliant, graceful animal.
Diligently working so he can have potential mates. Here he is yawning. And the Ricardo is tired.
There's a fucking class out here. Oh my god, it's sunny. Wait. Yes! I'm vlogging today.
Oh my fucking god. What is going on?
We're filming for our...
Significant. Today's just a regular...
We're filming for push project.
What? What does that have to do with your A-push project?
What's your message to the world today?
Stay at school. Don't do drugs.
This is gross. Who is this? Oh my god, wait. Keep going. Ah! Wait, do you see this? This is me. Thank you. This is me before curology, after curology. Dude, sponsorship.
That's one of the biggest questions the doctor brought out is like, what is a
This
long
is the animal Boscovich
In its natural habitat.
in his natural habitat.
Okay.
You see him in that durable winter coat of jeans, sneakers, and a button-up with those sunglasses and the hipster
Shit,
beard.
are we matching? Ooh.
We're matching Boscovich.
That's my twin.
But yes, that's the animal in his natural habitat of being a pretentious hipster, but in kind of a stylish way.
I want to die.
Okay. Dylan's peeing. I'm not gonna show it, but she's peeing. Say it louder. Hi. Say it louder. Hi. Bitch. It's Minecraft's 10th birthday.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes me feel so old.
Fridays are usually my chill days, but Fridays are my
I have John Robert Santiago in his natural habitat, holding the weapon of choice, the flout. Bursting! Natural habitat part 2.
My eye is swollen.
Smile! We have a better idea.
I was your favorite student?
No.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So I might as well keep
Everyone
going.
knows.
What would make you think that? Don't take a picture of me.
I'm taking a picture.
So I'm here with my boy Sergi.
I thought he was gonna say boyfriend. I was like, bitch.
I just got friend zoned. I'm kidding. He's sort of gay.
Sort of.
Half.
Like
75%.
At the very least, 75%. This is like semi-awkward. I don't know why. What's that? Focus, bitch. Focus.
So today I'm gonna put this on my eyes.
I want to like try threading or waxing because I usually just pluck them.
Spencer, what are you doing?
Playing Smash.
Wow.
Go pat my hair. Okay, now you have to pat. Now you have to keep it there.